All, welcome to my channel. I'm Rini and today I've come with a new video. I always wanted a floor lamp for my house, so the first attempt was I went and checked on Amazon and the price started from 1000 onwards and then the range went on. And since I'm staying in a rented apartment, I didn't want to spend so much. I'm excited to show you this video because I just got it done in such an affordable price. I just paid 25 rupees and I've made this with a PVC pipe. A PVC pipe, you will get it in any hardware store. So it's easily available as well. So let's see how we do it. Let's begin. You will need a 5 feet long PVC pipe. I got this from a hardware store for 25 rupees. You will need to insert a wire through the pipe. So I used a 2-meter long wire. This wire set was already available at home. If you don't have a wire available, you can get this done from an electrical store. Make sure to fix the plug on one end and the bulb holder to the other end of the wire. Since I already have the set, I'm going ahead and removing the screws from the plug. I don't have a screwdriver at home, so I'm just using a knife to remove the screws. Pass the free end of the wire through the pipe such that the bulb holder stays fixed on one end. I used a plastic cup to make the base. I will be pulling the plug end of the wire by making a small hole. So let's mark a circle and cut it with a driller, or if you don't have one, just heat a knife and cut through the marking. We'll then pass the wire through the hole and then fix the plug back. You can make paper lamps with chart paper. That is also a very good option. I hope you like this simple DIY and hope it inspires you to make one for your home too. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you soon with another video.